Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I am taking another little trip skis and I know that you guys really enjoyed my last little travel vlog. So we are heading down to Sarasota. We're doing a little beaching for the 4th of July. So I figured I would show you. It's the night prior, I'm packing, I'm last minute and I take forever, but I figured I'd show you what I plan on taking with me for this little trip. Per usual, I always love to lay everything out on the bed and it just looks like a hot mess right now. But as you can see, I have the variety of the red, white, and blue. You know, I gotta stick to the theming. I'm taking these super soft pajamas. These are from Red Dress Boutique. Oh my gosh, I love them. Also then I have a cute little blue stripe and red gingham romper. You might have noticed these on my Insta if you follow me over there. Also, I have the perfect swimmies for the 4th. So I absolutely love this little two-piece, but then I'm gonna mix it up and I'm gonna throw on this light blue bikini top with these bottoms. Like, it's super, super adorbs. You can see how this looks together in my IGTV video that I just recently put up with the 4th of July looks. And then I have this super fun, this is a new little tote bag that I got from Red Dress Boutique as well. And it's just gonna be perfect for like all the beach vibes. I'm gonna take this red onesie with me. We're gonna be on a boat as well while we're down there. So I thought, you know, maybe make it a little extra glam with a little kimono cover up. Moving along over here, of course, I have some more swimsuit stuff. I have this super pretty, this pastel dress, like these colors in this. Oh my gosh, it's just beautiful. But it's like a maxi midi dress. And then this ties around the waist to cinch it in. It's adorable. Moving around over here, I'm going for like just like a little hippie vibe. And then look at how adorable this chambray dress is. I got it from Topshop at Nordstrom's. Oh my gosh, like this is just perfect. So I have like the complete all-American girl like wardrobe right here. So yeah. For the 3-day weekend, I'm pretty sure I have plenty right here to shove into my suitcase. And we're just getting on our way, getting the car packed now. And I have quite a lot of things for just 3 days, but that's me, I can't see. Oh babe, that should probably be close. It has my clothes in there if I wanna change to do photos though. No?
No.
Okay, fine. Bag 2. Look at that. And then we got the cooler and his stuff is back there. I don't know how he packs so small, but yeah, ready to roll.
It's a Night Rider theme song.
I need to get out of this car. It's only been like 2 hours.
You would.
So we asked Siri to play rap. This is what we got.
I like it.
Me too. But there's no rap in it. This is ice cream time, and you don't even know what's about to happen. So this is my bowl that I'm getting ready to get mixed up. Basically, they use nitrogen something or another to freeze it. Isn't that cool? Freeze, baby, freeze. Oh, I see it. I have birthday cake with cookie dough and caramel. What'd you get?
Peanut butter with Reese's peanut butter cups.
Justin has.
Chocolate shake. Really original.
And Kenzie.
Peanut butter bonds. Did you say bonds?
marina. Just waiting for some fireworks to happen. It's getting busy down here. Larry just wants to drink. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of want one though too. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Time to get our boat. Go a little boat action for today. Oh god, there's stairs. The back out back. We on a oh no. Hey, stop doing what I'm doing. And this is a beach. Little lunchtime. That looks delicious, honey. You sure these? And so does this drink. These houses are insane. Look at this. Look. Wait for it. Does it do the howl again? No. I tried. So terrible. Try again. And now, as you can see, we made it back home from Sarasota. We had such a nice time these 2 days, like just a nice little getaway. Thank you so much, Justin and Mackenzie, for having us come join you guys. It was so much fun. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll have to do it again soon. If you'd like some more little travel deets, just check these videos out right over here. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching our trip to Sarasota. Also subscribe to the channel. That way you can see everything that I bring your way. And until next time, stay sweet, sunshines.